After all the time and energy it takes to create an amazing video, the last thing anyone wants to do is spend days getting the content approved. The most tedious part of the process isn't necessarily re-editing. It's the endless email threads with unclear instructions, inaccurate timestamps, and waiting for a response after making the edit for the third time. That's why our team at Kapwing created a collaborative video editor that allows any teammate to comment directly inside of a project at a given timestamp. Leaving a comment on a project is simple. Once you're in the project, find the comments icon on the top bar. Drag your playhead to the time in the video where you'd like to leave a comment. Type out your comment, make sure the include timestamp box is checked, and click comment. You or anybody else who has access to this project can leave a response to the comment as well by clicking on the comment and typing a response. If you make a mistake, you also have the option to edit or delete the comment by clicking the 3 dots. Everybody in your team workspace will be able to access this project and all of the comments made within the project. You can share the project with somebody outside of your team workspace using the share button at the top. You can either share via link or send the collaborator an email. As the comments populate, you can click on any comment to be taken to the timestamp where the comment was made. Or you can find the comments through the bubbles that appear on the timeline. For a cleaner view, you can also view comments on the export page. Clicking on the comments will take you directly to its corresponding timestamp. With the comment feature, your team can now go from creating to publishing without all the hassle of long response times or communication threads. For more tutorials on Kapwing Teams, check out the playlist linked in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.